The air, thick with the scent of spices and roasting meat, hangs heavy over the stalls. A symphony of bartering, laughter, and sizzling oil. This is the soul of Iran. Join me as we dive into the rich flavors and unforgettable dishes that make Persian cuisine a world treasure. Gourmet sabzi. It's not just a stew, it's an institution. A slow-cooked symphony of herbs, parsley, cilantro, fenugreek, simmered with kidney beans, tender lamb, and dried limes. Each bite is a history lesson, a taste of tradition passed down through generations. The kind of dish that sticks to your ribs and stays in your memory long after the last drop is gone. Now, this is what I call a feast for the senses. Fezenjan, a rich, decadent stew where ground walnuts and pomegranate molasses collide in a dance of sweet and savory. The chicken, slow-cooked to falling-apart tenderness, soaks up the flavors, becoming infused with the tang of pomegranate and the earthy richness of walnuts. This is a dish fit for royalty, a celebration of flavor that will leave you wanting more. Forget your everyday rice. Tachin is a masterpiece. Saffron-infused rice layered with tender chicken or lamb baked to a golden crisp. Imagine cutting into a cake, revealing a treasure trove of savory flavors. The saffron perfumes the air, while the rice, cooked to perfection, melts in your mouth. This is a dish to impress, a testament to the artistry of Persian cuisine. Some days you just need a hug in a bowl. Ash reshte is that hug. A hearty soup brimming with noodles, beans, herbs, and a dollop of tangy kashk, a fermented whey product. It's a symphony of textures. The soft noodles against the creamy beans, the burst of fresh herbs. This is soul food, Persian style, a dish that warms you from the inside out. The aroma of sizzling meat over charcoal is a universal language. And in Iran, that language speaks of kebab kubide. Minced meat, seasoned with onions and spices, molded onto skewers and grilled to smoky perfection. The juices drip onto the hot coals, sending up a tantalizing aroma that makes your mouth water. Simple, yet utterly irresistible. Zareshk polo is a feast for the eyes as much as the palate. Saffron-infused rice, studded with jewel-toned barberries, served alongside tender saffron chicken. The barberries add a burst of tartness that cuts through the richness of the chicken and rice. It's a balanced symphony of flavors, a dish that is both elegant and satisfying. Ditsi is more than just a meal, it's an experience. This traditional stew of lamb, chickpeas, and potatoes is slow-cooked in a clay pot, then ceremoniously mashed and enjoyed with bread. The flavors meld together, creating a rich, comforting broth. It's a dish best shared with friends and family, a reminder of the power of food to bring people together. Eggplant lovers, this one's for you. Koresh badamjan is a rich, flavorful stew where eggplant takes center stage. Slow-cooked with tomatoes, turmeric, and either lamb or beef, the eggplant melts into a creamy, satisfying texture. The spices add depth and warmth, creating a dish that is both comforting and exotic. Baghali polo captures the essence of spring in a dish. Dill and fava beans infuse the rice with their fresh, vibrant flavors, creating a light and fragrant accompaniment to tender lamb shanks. It's a celebration of seasonal ingredients, a reminder of the bounty of nature. No meal is complete without a sweet ending. Shirin polo, a festive rice dish studded with slivered almonds, pistachios, and candied orange peel, is the perfect way to end your Persian culinary adventure. The sweetness of the rice is balanced by the crunch of the nuts and the tang of the orange peel. It's a celebration of flavors, a reminder that life is meant to be savored. I hope you enjoyed this flavorful journey through Iran's best dishes. From the hearty stews to the fragrant rice dishes, Persian cuisine is a testament to the power of tradition and the art of slow cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which dish you'd love to try.